Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Razr 60 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and in the settings we need to scroll and find the section Sound and Vibration. Then let's scroll down and localize ringtone and sound, and as you can see the phone ringtone is divided between two different SIM cards. Just choose for which you'd like to change the ringtone. I'll pick this one, and after tapping on the phone ringtone you will have the list of pre-installed ringtones from which you can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call, and on the other hand at the bottom we've got the option Add Ringtone. So you will be transferred to your own files, and if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere there. If you'd like to set the regular pre-installed ringtone, you need to simply tap on it. At the same time, you can decide whether you like it or not, because your device should play it, and for some reason it doesn't. Okay, now it does. So this is how you can check it. I will pick the simple one. So all I need to do is to make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, and it means that from now on this device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.